Hello guys, my name is Alessandro Monieri from EnGenius Networks Europe, and today I want to show you with the new tip and tricks video how can you simply update your ezMaster, and also some steps before to make an update that we suggest to do, like backup of ezMaster, export the device inventory list, etc. Let's do that. Okay, so guys, going step by step. Okay, the first step that you have to do is to go into the global settings menu, scrolling down, and here you can see backup, restore, ezMaster. So first, make sure to make your backup about your ezMaster. Once you finish the backup about your ezMaster, you have to export the device inventory list. This is quite simple. I cannot show you completely for privacy reason, but you have to press here generate list. You will have a list of your MAC address check code. You need to select all file, all code in that list, and you can simply copy and paste in a txt file. Okay, basically after that, in case you have to import again the file from the txt to the ezMaster, you can simply go to the add device and you can simply paste here the file that you already have in a txt file and make register here. So it's quite simple. Okay, so we did a backup, we export the device inventory list, then click again home. And now it's the time to check your ezMaster version. In this case we have 1.0 and we have 43 version. So if you go to EnGeniusNetworks.eu, this is our European website, and scrolling down you can see here download section. If you press on the downloads section, you can here download all firmware that you want, and also you can download the software of ezMaster. I will show you. Okay, so before we have to download the 1.059. You can see the third file is the file that we need. So here the release date is November 3. So download this file, and we can go here to unpack the file with 7-zip or whatever you want. And now it's the time to update your ezMaster. Okay, we have 1.059 that we have to do before, and after that we can go directly to the 1.062. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so to update your ezMaster, go to the global settings menu and you will see here update ezMaster. So here you have to simply select your file that we downloaded before, update 1.059 before, and we press upload. Uploading, it takes a few times but not so much longer time. After the firmware update you have to press OK, and you will redirect to the ezMaster home page. Okay, now we have to press OK, and we are here in the home page. So in base about the project that you have, if you have only 7 access points, it will not take so much time, but in case you have a lot of access point, maybe you have to wait, maybe depends, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, but you can recognize in terms of the CPU usage and the memory. Okay, when this process is finished, and if you go to the project and for example you can check some project, you can see now the access points are in provisioning, applying change, etc. So make sure that this process is finished for all projects that you have. After that, we will see second step. Okay, now after 10 minutes, we can check again this project. You can see we have all access points online. Go back to the home page about ezMaster and we can check the ezMaster version is complete update. So now we have to update again to the 1.062. To do that, you have to go to the global settings menu here, same as before, update ezMaster. You have to select the file 1.062, select this file, press upload, and do the same process as before. So backup first your ezMaster, second generate the list from the device inventory, copy and paste into the txt file, update your ezMaster, wait, and done. In case any problem with the backup file, with the device inventory list, we are able to help you about some issue. Thank you for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye.